Imagine starting your day with a warm, aromatic cup of clove tea. As you sip, you not only enjoy its rich flavor but also set yourself up for a day filled with health benefits. Welcome to this video, where we'll explore the wonders of drinking clove tea daily. From boosting your immunity to enhancing digestion, we'll uncover how this simple beverage can make a big difference in your life. Before we dive into the benefits, let's take a moment to understand what makes cloves so special. Cloves are the fragrant flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, native to Indonesia's Maluku Islands. They have been used for centuries in cooking, medicine, and even as a natural remedy for various ailments. The key active ingredient in cloves is eugenol, which gives them their distinctive flavor and powerful medicinal properties. When you drink clove tea every day, one of the first things you'll notice is an improvement in blood flow. Cloves contain compounds that promote circulation, helping your body to regulate temperature and metabolism more effectively. Improved blood flow means better oxygen delivery to your organs and tissues, which can enhance overall health and vitality. Clove tea is also a time-honored remedy for toothaches. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, clove tea can help reduce gum inflammation and fight off infections in your mouth. If you're dealing with dental pain, try rinsing with lukewarm clove tea for relief. If you've ever struggled with sinus infections, you'll appreciate the soothing effects of clove tea. The eugenol in cloves acts as an expectorant, helping to clear mucus and ease sinus congestion. A warm cup of clove tea in the morning can make breathing easier and provide relief from coughs and sore throats. Clove tea is packed with vitamins and minerals that can give your immune system a much-needed boost. It's rich in magnesium, vitamin E, and vitamin K, all of which play a role in maintaining a healthy immune response. Drinking clove tea regularly can help your body fend off infections and stay resilient against illnesses. In today's fast-paced world, stress is a common problem, but clove tea can help. The calming effects of clove tea on the nervous system can help you relax and find your inner peace. The soothing aroma and warm taste make it the perfect beverage to unwind with after a long day. For those managing diabetes or prediabetes, clove tea may offer some benefits. Studies suggest that the polyphenolic compounds in cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition to your diet. By incorporating clove tea into your daily routine, you may find it easier to keep your blood sugar in check. Emerging research suggests that clove tea could have potential anti-cancer properties. In laboratory studies, cloves have been shown to kill cancer cells and prevent them from multiplying. While more research is needed, the initial findings are promising and suggest that clove tea could play a role in cancer prevention. If you're trying to lose weight or improve your digestion, clove tea can be a helpful ally. Drinking clove tea before meals can stimulate digestion by increasing saliva and gastric secretions. It can also help reduce bloating, flatulence, and nausea, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Clove tea is a great nutritional supplement, providing a range of essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and calcium. These nutrients are vital for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. Incorporating clove tea into your diet is an easy way to boost your nutrient intake. For those prone to urinary tract infections or UTIs, clove tea may offer some protection. The ethanolic extract of cloves has been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria responsible for UTIs. Regular consumption of clove tea can help keep your urinary tract healthy and free from infections. Clove tea has been used historically to combat intestinal parasites, which can cause a range of health issues. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves make them effective in treating stomach pain and discomfort caused by parasites. Drinking clove tea regularly can help maintain a healthy digestive system. If you suffer from arthritis, clove tea can help alleviate pain and inflammation. Applying a cold compress made from clove tea to the affected areas can reduce joint pain and muscle soreness. Drinking clove tea while using the compress can provide additional relief from arthritis symptoms. Clove tea is also beneficial for your skin. The eugenol in cloves has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective in treating acne and other skin conditions. Regular use of clove tea, both topically and internally, can help clear up your skin and keep it healthy. Did you know that clove tea can help prevent food poisoning? Clove oil has been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria. Drinking clove tea with your meals can provide an extra layer of protection against foodborne illnesses. Few people realize that clove tea can be used as a natural disinfectant. You can even use it as a hand sanitizer by rubbing some cooled clove tea into your palms. It's a natural alternative to chemical-based sanitizers and is effective at killing bacteria. Clove tea is highly effective in treating a variety of skin issues. Its antibacterial compounds help flush out toxins and heal minor scrapes and abrasions. You can also use clove tea as a topical antifungal treatment to keep conditions like athlete's foot and ringworm at bay. Men may find that clove tea improves their sexual health. Regular consumption of clove tea has been linked to increased testosterone levels and improved blood circulation, which can enhance libido and sexual performance. Cloves have been used in traditional medicine to treat erectile dysfunction and other sexual health issues. While clove tea offers numerous health benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation. Cloves have blood-thinning properties, so if you're on blood-thinning medication, consult your doctor before adding clove tea to your routine. Now that you're aware of the benefits of drinking clove tea daily, let's go over how to make it. You'll need 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 2 cups of water, and your choice of a sweetener. Bring the water to a boil, then add the cloves and let it simmer for 6 to 8 minutes. After simmering, remove the pot from heat and let the tea steep for 2 more minutes. Strain the tea to remove the cloves and pour it into your favorite mug. You can add honey or lemon slices to enhance the flavor. As we wrap up, it's clear that clove tea is more than just a delicious beverage. It's a powerful tool for enhancing your health. From improving digestion to boosting immunity and relieving stress, clove tea offers a wide range of benefits that can transform your daily routine. To give you an idea of the impact clove tea can have, we've included some testimonials from people who have experienced its benefits firsthand. Whether it's a subtle improvement in mood or a significant health change, these stories will inspire you to try clove tea for yourself. Finally, we encourage you to start drinking clove tea daily and see how it benefits your health. Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. As a bonus, we've included some creative clove tea recipes and hacks to keep things interesting. From cold brews to clove tea-infused desserts, these ideas will make your clove tea experience even more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the incredible benefits of clove tea. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, improve your digestion, or simply enjoy a flavorful beverage, clove tea is a natural and effective option. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider if you have any health concerns, and start your clove tea journey today.
I've always struggled with bloating and indigestion, especially after meals. I started drinking clove tea daily, and within just a week, I noticed a significant difference. My stomach felt lighter, and the constant bloating disappeared. Over time, I even lost a few pounds without making any other changes to my diet. Clove tea has become my go-to remedy for digestive issues, and I can't recommend it enough.
For years, I dealt with chronic sinus infections, especially during the winter months. I tried various medications, but nothing seemed to provide lasting relief. A friend suggested I try clove tea, and I was skeptical at first, but after a few days of drinking it every morning, I felt my sinuses clear up. The congestion that used to linger for weeks was gone, and I could finally breathe easier. Clove tea is now a staple in my daily routine, and I haven't had a serious sinus infection since.
As someone with a high-stress job, I often found myself feeling anxious and overwhelmed. I read about the calming effects of clove tea and decided to give it a try. It's been a game changer for me. Every Every evening I unwind with a cup of clove tea and it helps me relax and clear my mind. I sleep better and my overall mood has improved significantly. It's such a simple addition to my day, but it's made a world of difference.
Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 2 cups of water, juice of 1, orange juice of 1 lemon, honey or agave syrup optional, ice cubes. Instructions: boil 2 cups of water and add the cloves. Let it simmer for 6 to 8 minutes. Strain the tea and allow it to cool. Mix in the orange and lemon juice, sweeten with honey or agave syrup if desired. Pour over a glass filled with ice cubes for a refreshing iced clove tea with a citrusy twist. Clove tea latte ingredients: 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 2 cups of water, half a cup of milk, whether dairy or non-dairy, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, honey or brown sugar to taste, ground cinnamon for garnish. Instructions: boil the water, add the cloves and let it simmer for 6 to 8 minutes. Strain the tea and set it aside. In a separate pot, warm the milk and stir in the vanilla extract. Combine the clove tea with the milk mixture and sweeten to taste. Pour into a mug and sprinkle with ground cinnamon. Enjoy a cozy clove tea latte. Clove tea-infused apple cider ingredients: 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 2 cups of apple cider, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 slices of fresh ginger orange slices for garnish. Instructions: in a pot, combine the apple cider, cloves, cinnamon stick and ginger slices. Bring to a simmer and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and pour it into a mug. Garnish with orange slices for a warm spiced clove tea-infused apple cider. Clove tea cold brew ingredients: 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 2 cups of cold water, sweetener of your choice if you like, fresh mint leaves for garnish. Instructions: add the cloves to a jar of cold water and refrigerate for 12 to 24 hours. Strain the mixture to remove the cloves. Sweeten if desired and serve over ice with a sprig of fresh mint for a cool and refreshing cold brew. Clove tea-infused pancake syrup ingredients: half a cup of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 1 cinnamon stick. Instructions: in a small saucepan, combine the maple syrup, cloves and cinnamon stick. Heat the mixture on low until warm, allowing the flavors to meld together. Remove the cloves and cinnamon stick before serving. Drizzle the clove tea-infused syrup over pancakes, waffles or French toast for a flavorful twist. Clove tea-infused chocolate truffles ingredients: half a cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 8 ounces of dark chocolate, finely chopped cocoa powder for rolling. Instructions: in a small saucepan, heat the heavy cream and cloves until it just begins to simmer. Remove from heat and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain the cloves and reheat the cream slightly. Pour the warm cream over the chopped dark chocolate and let it sit for a few minutes. Stir until smooth and refrigerate until firm. Roll the mixture into small balls and coat with cocoa powder for decadent clove tea-infused chocolate truffles. Clove tea-infused rice pudding ingredients: 1 cup of cooked rice, 2 cups of milk, dairy or non-dairy, 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ground nutmeg for garnish. Instructions: in a pot, combine the milk, cloves and sugar. Bring to a simmer and let the cloves steep for 10 minutes. Strain the cloves and return the milk to the pot. Add the cooked rice and vanilla extract, stirring until thickened. Serve warm or chilled, garnished with a sprinkle of ground nutmeg for a comforting clove tea-infused rice pudding.